Good morning, everybody. It's the first day of our week of home learning, and it's time for a maths meeting. And I love maths. Yes, I do. And we all love maths. Let's think about what day it is today. Today is, well, yesterday was the second day of the weekend. And I know that was Sunday, so I'm guessing that today is Monday. Is that what you thought? Let's look at our wheel of the week. Straight ahead in the yellow section, under the word today, it says Monday. Yay, we were right. On the left in the orange section, under the word yesterday, it says Sunday. And on the right, under the blue word tomorrow, in the green section, it says Tuesday. So tomorrow, when we're here together, I'm hoping you're going to tell me that the day is Tuesday. But for now, today is Monday. And our numeral today, and remember, a numeral is the way we write a number, just like letters are what we use to write words and sounds. Okay, so our numeral today is, show me with your fingers, 10. It is, it's the numeral that tells us we've got 10 of something. It might be 10 cars that we've counted on the road. It might be 10 cupcakes sitting on the tea table. It might be 10 sticks that we've picked up in the park. But this is how we would write it. And it's got 2 digits. The first digit is the digit for 1, and it actually stands not just for 1 in this numeral, it stands for 110, one set of 10. And there's our blue Numicon tile. The 0, second digit, means there's nothing else, no ones extra. So I'm not going to put anything there. Looking at that 10 numeral again, the 1 is just 110, one set of 10. The 0 has nothing there because it means there are no more. Okay. Onwards to our shape. Have a look at this shape. I hope you're impressed. I was very excited that I managed to do this on this PowerPoint maths meeting. Well, it's moving and we can see that it's not a flat shape, so it can't be 2D, it's a 3D shape. And it is, if you don't know already, a cylinder. This is a cylinder. And a cylinder has a circular top, one continuous curved side, and a circular base. Where would we find cylinders in the real world? Well, I've got these at home. I like them in the evenings sometimes, and certainly at Christmas time or other times when I'm celebrating. And it is a set of cylinders that are candles. Here's a very well-known cylinder shape. It's a tin of baked beans. A wooden log. Drinks bottles, your drinks bottles that you bring into school, they are cylinders, cylindrical shapes. And batteries that we used to put in toys or radios to make them work. Those batteries are cylinders. Oh, here's our subitizing. Did you get the chance to see how many green dots there were? Should we do it again? I think I saw a 3 on one side and a row of 4, which means we have 7 altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 and 4. 10 frames. Up they go. Let's count the purple dots, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you were going to show me that with your fingers, you'd have to flash up 10 and then 2 more. 10 and 2 is 12. 12 purple dots. Now we're going to add the empty squares. I'm just going to count them. I'm going to carry on after that second purple dot in the top 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 12 purple dots. We're going to add 8 empty white squares, and that's going to equal, yes, it comes to 20. And we know that because we've got 10 squares up on the board, which means 20 altogether. And here I'm showing you all those squares with numbers in, because I want you, having a quick look at that, to tell me which number is behind that yellow dot. Any ideas? Yes, the number 2. That yellow dot was in the second square. Odd one out. Now, here we go. First picture. It's a pineapple. Second picture, a green apple. Third picture, bananas, bright yellow bananas. Fourth picture, broccoli. Fifth picture, yum yum, one of my favourites, strawberry. Right, now we're on to a picture of peaches, 2 peaches. Then another picture of a fruit. Do you know where this comes from or what it's called? It's mango. Cherries, tomato, and some sultanas. Well, let's start with the first one. I think is an odd one out. I'm going to start with broccoli, because I think all the other pictures are of fruits. But a broccoli isn't a fruit, it's a vegetable. You're absolutely right if that's what you said. So broccoli is a vegetable, the rest are fruit. Anything else? Oh, I can see an odd one out. The sultanas. The sultanas, they are fruit, or they started as fresh fruit, but they were put out in the sun, and the sun dried them up, shriveled them down, and made them nice and sweet and chewy. So they are dried fruit. But do you know what they started as? What fruit were they in the beginning? Yeah, if you knew that they were grapes, you were absolutely right, because they started out as grapes. And then they were laid in the sun, and the sun dried them out, and they turned into sultanas. I have them in my muesli in the morning. Right, I'm going to leave you thinking about other odd one outs. Yes, because there are more that you could choose. Have a think, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.